Hello, students. My name is Mr. Galindo, and this here is my class website for U.S. history. U.S. history has always been a topic that I'm particularly passionate about, and I know that so long as I can at least perhaps interest one person, then I know that I will have done my job. Now, we can go ahead and move over to the About the Teacher, just to get a little bit of a grasp on who I am and what I'm interested in. I've taken note of over here. I love to play board games, go out bowling. I love to, whenever I can, find time to spend with my family and friends. Just have a good time. I've also found that in the past couple of years, I've taken up cooking a lot more. Personally, I've always found myself to be more of a baker, but I am still trying my best to get a little bit better at cooking. And right over here, you can go ahead and see that whenever I'm not relaxing or playing games with my friends and family, I do like to do a bit of reading and some creative writing. I think that if you're interested in history, you might also be interested in just storytelling in general. So that's what about it particularly draws me. Now, if you ever have any particular questions, any difficulties, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I will do my best to accommodate you as well as I can. I know that online teaching is pretty difficult for both ends. And overall, I'm looking forward to a wonderful year of US history. I hope you have a wonderful day, and until next time, goodbye.